的机甲看。
Hey Choo Choo, where are you going to so fast?
I've got a job to do. Hi friends, I am a train. My name is Choo Choo. I am going to a new playground that is being built. Today I have two-dimensional shapes in my cars. 2D shapes are also called flat shapes or plane shapes. Look, you can stack them one upon another. Do you know their names? Let's name them. What is this shape called? Circle. What is this shape? Oval. What is the difference between an oval and a circle? Look. What do a circle and an oval have in common? They don't have angles. What are these shapes called? Triangles. As you can see, triangles can be very different. But they all have one common property. All triangles have 3 angles. That's how a triangle got its name. What is this shape called? Square. What about this one? Rectangle. A rectangle has a pair of long sides and a pair of short sides. A square is also a rectangle, only a special one. All its sides are equal. Let's count how many angles a rectangle and a square have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles. Therefore, these shapes can be called quadrilaterals. Let's see what other quadrilaterals I have in my cars. This is a rhombus. See, it looks like a square which has been stretched a little bit. This is a trapezoid. Trapezoids can be very different. But all trapezoids have 4 angles and 2 parallel opposite sides. Look, the rails are also parallel. Let's build different trapezoids on them. What can a trapezoid look like? It is like a skirt. And now, it is like a bowl. What about this trapezoid? It is like a slide. Great! Now we will not confuse the shape with anything else. And this is a parallelogram. That looks like a rectangle which is slightly skewed. It got its name because its opposite sides are parallel. This is a pentagon. How many angles does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A pentagon has 5 angles. This is a hexagon. How many angles does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 angles. Connected hexagons look like? Like honeycombs. This is an octagon. How many angles does an octagon have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An octagon has 8 angles. Where can we see the shape outside? That's right, on a stop sign. Now let's do a trick. We will add new angles to the shape. Look closely what happens. What does this shape look like? Like a circle. See, the more angles a polygon has, the more it looks like a circle. Good job! You've learned so many shapes. Now you will be able to help me build a playground. Let's go there together.